everyone, to the Unwrapped Leader Podcast, where we get raw, real, and relevant into the new network marketing so you can be a gifted leader in your business. I'm Dracy Dewar, and I am here from Australia, and I am doing a solo for you. I wanted to share with everybody that I did a couple weeks ago an episode on coming out of conference, things not to do at a conference and the things you need to do to create a successful launch coming out of convention or conference or whatever it is that you call. And so I thought today would really be fantastic to support that, or part two of that. And that really happens to be around a product launch or launching your new products or sharing your products, because let's face it, our new products is the oxygen, it is the air, it is the life of our business. And most importantly, what breathes that life and that oxygen happens to be new products. And our companies go out of their way to launch these products for us, to give us the level of energy and enthusiasm for our business. But the innovation that they put into it and how they launch it for us is, we want to take that energy and excitement, and we want to take that to our customers. We want to take that to our VIPs. We want to take that back home to our distributors. But most importantly, we want to take that back to raise them all up so they can bring in new customers. Because without new customers, your business is either growing or it's going. There is no such thing as maintaining. And to me, I strongly believe new business is the oxygen for our business, and the new products happens to be what drives that. And so what can you do to set yourself up for that level of success? And so I just wanted to say, over the years, product launches has probably been one of my fortes, my most fun things to do. We have created events from my backyard barbecue launches to hosting and doing events into large churches and venues where there's like 500 people, even into the estate. I remember one of our launches being in the winter, and it was a snowstorm, and believe it or not, people showed up. They still drove to the launch. They still was like, I remember we had to have parking people to make sure people parked properly because of all the snow drifts. And it was such a magical night. These are things that your customers will never forget. And every time you do an event and you make it that extra special, they can't wait for the next one. And this is how your business grows. And so if you get excited about creating events around your new products, even if it's online, but most importantly, being able to do it offline, I think they're both powerful. They're both important. I'm so excited that social media has come into play, that you can take your business to the next level. But I am a strong believer that the belly to belly on in-person events are equally as strong, if not even more stronger, for creating community and enthusiasm. So I wanted to talk about 10 quick tips, make this short and sweet, but definitely give you some impact. If you have a pen and paper, please grab it, because this is not only exciting, it is critical after you've launched new products on the steps that you're going to take for the success in your business. So let's get started with number one. Number one is having a plan, a launch plan strategy, making a plan. And you can make this plan within a week to 10 days if you've not made a plan about having a launch. And as you move forward in the future, giving yourself 30, 60, 90 days to plan a launch strategy. So you can develop a plan that outlines this strategy, including like the timelines, your goals, who your target audience is, as well as the marketing channels, the communication tactics that you want to take. But having a well thought out plan will help you stay organized, help you stay focused throughout the launch process in this. And for myself personally, I really wanted to say that just the activity generates results. And so that's why I'm a huge believer in this. The level of your enthusiasm will determine the level of your success. Number two is create a buzz and anticipation. Generate the excitement and anticipation around your products by teasing them and giving them previews to your network marketing team or to your potential customer, using social media, using email marketing and other communication channels to share your teasers. And what they love the most is the behind the scene glimpses and your exclusive sneak peeks that you happen to share. I love to say that invitations make this really a great sneak peek. Sending them an invitation, whether it is an online invitation, an invitation in the mail, or a text with an invitation, whatever it may be, just know that is a really good starting point for creating that level of anticipation. As well as we have platforms like Eventbrite to set up your event. You have your Facebook events, which are really good strategies, and they're just a step. Do not allow your entire success of these events based on, oh yeah, I set up an event. There's so much more that goes behind it, and I highly recommend taking these next steps. All right, so number 3 is, again, leverage your network. Whether it is your network marketing team, they are your best asset to help you during this product launch. People support, that's it. People support what they help create. And this is why it's really important to get them engaged early on, provide them with the necessary training to help them, give them the product knowledge and some marketing materials to help them go and invite guests to make this event successful. Encourage them to spread the word so they can generate the interest among their own network. Huge power in that. And what else I want to say is that your future depends on creating this level of togetherness. And if you're starting out on your own right now, that is okay, but this is the goal, because it's events like this where you see the cream rise to the top. And when you get your teams involved, this is where you get to see who your next leaders are. And it also allows you to create a different level of relationship. So have fun leveraging your network. Number 4, offer incentives and rewards. Considering offering incentives and rewards will help your network marketing team and your customers actively participate in the launch. So whether you want to include early access to the products, those that help create and support, even if it's a new customer or even a new distributor, they will just love the time they get with you. They will love the chance that they get to see the new products earlier on. And again, it's a chance for you to recognize them for their efforts, for participating. And again, incentives can motivate and drive engagement. So increasing your chances for a successful launch, I highly recommend thinking a well thought out plan of incentives and rewards. I'm really big on sampling. And so, the first 30 people or the first 10 people will get a sample. Again, it's part of your plan and strategy of how much samples you want to give away, what's the testing or the tasting that you get involved. And again, when you offer incentives and rewards, again, it drives the people for more engagement. And so just to share with you, my biggest thing is early bird gifting, is that, as well as having the samplings in there. So number 5 is host a launch events. Again, organizing a launch event both online and offline. This will help showcase your new products. It also allows you the chance to be able to create a culture, get them incited so the next time you have this, they want to be a part of it. It's an opportunity to educate your audience. It's an opportunity to share the benefits and features of it, and also provide them a chance to ask questions. So whether you want to do this as a live stream, do your product demos in person or as a gathering, find your way that you want to do this, but have a launch event. Set it up as a launch event, whether you're new in the business again, or you're driving and growing your business. Again, make a plan around it. So number 6 is utilize the social media that we have online. Utilizing this social media allows you to leverage the platforms that we have available for your online marketing channels. It also will help create awareness and drive interest into your products. And it's a chance to develop engagement. So creating engaging content such as your videos or a blog post or even testimonials. This will highlight your products and their unique selling points by doing this. And considering even running a targeted ad to reach a wider audience through Facebook, they can show and support you on creating an event like this and how you can do that. And so if I was to share that, I would just like to say there's just a whole new level by doing this, is That's social media. It just takes it next level. And I know some people are new to the social media game or even new to the network marketing, but there's lots of ways to get yourself started in it. And who knows, when you get a team together to help promote a launch, is find out their talents and get them involved and get them being participant in the things that they're really good at. Delegate is a really strong element to having a successful launch. Okay, so number 7, this is where you get to provide exceptional customer support. Ensure that your customer support team is well equipped and ready to handle inquiries, as well provide assistance during the launch and promptly address any customer concerns or issues so you can build trust and maintain a positive reputation. So again, we know customer service, we are here to serve. We are here to share, and we are here to seize the opportunity. So that leads us into number 8, collect and leverage feedback. Encouraging your customers and your team members to provide feedback on this new product. That feedback will help you identify the areas for improvement where is necessary and making the adjustments. And additionally, this providing feedback for testimonials can be used for valuable marketing. What I also is that this marketing, these testimonials and feedback, the feedback for me was always that how I can fix and adjust to make my event better next time. And people love to be heard. But where the testimonies come in is for the ongoing marketing, but most importantly, for the next event that you do, you can utilize this information. And again, people like to be involved and provide this feedback. And again, it's your way of saying that you're listening. And again, it's your way of creating that relationship. And so that leads into number 9. And number 9, meaning you're following up and nurturing these leads. After a launch, you get to continue to nurture those leads and build the relationships with your potential customers, with your future leaders, your VIP customers, and implementing an effective follow-up strategy, such as personalized email, phone call, or a targeted offer. This allows you to convert interested prospects into loyal customers. They go from followers to fans to your favorite people and having so much fun. And so this would be the number 1 element when you are creating this, is having fun, getting the fun element in there, creating themes, getting them involved, even the guests to come with something, whether it's wear a certain color, whether it's bring a favorite product, whether it's bringing something that can add value. And again, people will support what they help create. And so leading into number 10, this is analyzing and adjusting. This is monitoring your performance. This is where the KPIs come in and you get to analyze the results of your launch efforts. I'm a firm believer that you can analyze the launch on the day, but really analyzing it and the 30, 60 days following up for this. And again, they say your business, what you're doing or not doing right now, you will get the results of it in the next 90 days. That's why have a launch today or plan a launch today, because you know that planning a launch today is going to drive your business as we go into this busy season, as we get ourselves kick-started for the holiday season, and most importantly, as we get ourselves prepared to set ourselves up for 2024. Yes, I said it, 2024. And it's only September, but it is what you are doing or not doing right now. October, everything you do in October sets you up now for 2024. So again, as business people, going back to number 1 is that absolutely planning your strategy, your launch strategy for now, and planning your launch strategy for 2024. It all ties together. And if you've just got some new products, get excited, do something with it, because I definitely know it'll be something not only you will remember, but your customers will remember. And the success of your product launch will totally be based on you and your communication, your planning, your deep understanding of your target audience. And by implementing these tips, you can increase your chances of not only a successful launch, but driving the growth of your business. I really hope that you've enjoyed this. Just as a few last minute tips, I just wanted to say that if you are new and you've just made the decision to get started in this, go talk to your upline, tell them that you want to do a launch. And if it's not your time to do the launch now, participate in your leader's launch, to participate in another distributor's launch so you can observe, watch what they're doing, so you can work out. So when the next launch comes, you're going to be part of it and you're going to create your own launch so you can have your own success. Please put the tips, or not tips, put your nuggets that you've got out of this call or this episode in the comments. We wanted just to say, Teisha, I hope you're having a fantastic week. She's had 3 weddings in the last 2 weeks. That's why I've taken on this as a solo this round. But it's exciting. It's a wonderful time of the year. I know in the Northern Hemisphere, you guys are gearing into your fall. We're spring down in here. And so you guys are turning a whole new leaf, whereas we are springing into action. So together we can finish off this year with so much enthusiasm and excitement. Again, we're here to support you. If you haven't joined our Gifted Leader community, our Facebook community, please go and join it for added extra bonuses and tips on being a gifted leader in your business. And like this, share this, and most importantly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. And if you're watching this or listening in as a podcast, please give us a 5-star review. We love you. We love what we do, and we're here to serve you. And most importantly, we're here to have fun. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next episode.